It went to trial, and basically the plaintiffs were the adult children of their father who had passed away. And the father was under hospice care and was dealing with a very difficult end-of-life disease, and they were taking care of him. And he had oxygen, the tubes that go into your nose. It was giving you oxygen, and the nurse actually took those out and decided to put a mask on him instead. And the daughter was saying that, no, he's having difficulty breathing with the mask. You need to put the tubes back in because those were working. And she also repositioned him, and her daughter was saying that it made it difficult for him to breathe. And ultimately, he passed away because of this. And these were the allegations from the plaintiff. The nurse defended it and said, no, we didn't do anything wrong. Actually, he was fine, and he actually died of natural causes, not from the change in how the oxygen was being administered or the way that he was repositioned. And so this is a really tough case because causation, is that really what caused the father to pass away? Now, in these cases, it's really going to be expert heavy. And so you're going to have doctors that are going to testify for the plaintiff and for the defendant. And ultimately, the jury decided that, yes, it was because of the lack of oxygen that was occurring that he passed away. And even though the plaintiff was asking for about $400,000 for having, the loss that they experienced, the jury came back and gave him $200,000. That's still a huge win. And it's a sad situation all around. We want to make sure that our elderly parents are being taken care of in these facilities, but it's important to keep an eye on them because for some of them, it's just a job. It's not, they're not taking it as seriously. And so you got to keep an eye on those things. Now, most medical providers are wonderful providers and do a great job. But unfortunately, in this case, the nurse was found liable because she wasn't doing what she should have been to take care of him. And so that's our Trial Talk Tuesday.